Hey cruising crew, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Alexis, and in today's video I'm going to be going over a few things that cruise lines have now banned in 2025. So whether you're a first-time cruiser or an avid cruiser packing, you don't know what to pack or what not to pack, in this video I'm giving you the top 5 things that cruise lines have banned in 2025. So without further ado, hit that subscribe button and let's just get into it. So let's start off with irons and steamers. So irons and steamers of any sort are absolutely prohibited on any cruise. So I know it could be frustrating. You pack your nice clothes, you unpack them, and they become wrinkled. However, any kind of iron or steamer is absolutely not allowed. So I have almost every cruise that I've been on, I have seen them confiscate steamers. I myself has had one confiscated, and I never even got it back. So let's just keep those irons and steamers at home. They are a fire hazard, so that's why they do not allow them. But however, cruise lines do offer different like services for like laundry. You can get your suit or your dress steamed or pressed, or you can pay for laundry, or you can use the old hack of just hanging your laundry in the bathroom while the shower steams. I've also heard of people buying those like little downy wrinkle release sprays. I'm not sure if those work, but that's also another hack. I also want to throw in a tip for the ladies. So if you have a Dyson Airwrap, which is basically a blow dryer, um, they will confiscate these as well. So if you're someone like me who I love my Dyson Airwrap and I absolutely have to have it on vacation, I have found a little hack as to where you can bring it on board without them taking it away. So if you pack it in your suitcase and the suitcase that you give to the cruise line people to put on the ship for you, they will confiscate it and I'm not sure that you're going to get it back. However, if you do pack it in your backpack or your purse and take it on board with you through security with you, they will allow it. So what I found that I do is I put it in my backpack or I put it in my purse and I have it on me at all times. It is kind of annoying because it's a little heavy, but once those rooms open, I just go and put it in the room. I don't have to worry about it. So cruise lines do not allow you to use your own personal drone for any kind of drone footage. You can get a big fine. So unless you have a certain permit or a certain certificate or you're working with the cruise line, they absolutely do not allow you to fly your drones above the cruise ship or when you're in port and stuff like that. You are in the government eye, and so this is very frowned upon. And I think that you should just leave your drones at home. It's not worth it getting taken away. I know drones can be very expensive, and although we all want those great shots, it's just not worth it getting taken away. All drugs of any sort are absolutely banned on cruise ships. So this contains like marijuana or any kind of drug. Um, they usually don't allow vapes or stuff like that. So they do have dogs at the port. They do search very well. I have had instances where I'm like on the balcony and I can smell someone smoking like marijuana. I'm not sure if they got in trouble, but you can get in big trouble if they do find drugs on you. You can get a big fine or you can get kicked off the ship. And so let's just not do drugs and keep them off the ship. Of course, they're not going to allow any weapons of any sort. So this is stuff like knives or guns, stuff like that. They do not allow any type of weapons. And so they do a good job of when you go through security of checking everything. And if they do find a weapon, they will confiscate it and they might not even let you get on board after that. So let's just keep all weapons at home as well. Number 5 is going to be power strips and extension cords. So I know when we go cruising, we have so many devices like phones, headphones, laptops, stuff like that that we need all kinds of charging for. However, they do not allow these power strips or extension cords because they are a fire hazard. And so I guess just bring one charger that can maybe charge everything and have like a charging schedule. I know it can be frustrating to have to charge so many things and you only have one charger, but you want to bring like a power strip. But just leave those at home because they will take those as well. Well, there you have it, cruising crew. Those are the top 5 things that cruise lines are banning in 2025. So let's just keep those things at home for a smooth sailing. Let me know in the comments what things in 2025 that you have heard that cruise lines are banning now. I would love to hear from you guys. If you guys found this video helpful or enjoyed it at all, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you're always updated with all things cruising and travel. Don't forget to always seize a day, and I'll catch you in the next one.